Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Students, today we will learn about longest and shortest. Open your book to page number 40. Dear students, page number 40 पर activity number 1 में देखिए tick the longest and cross the shortest. So picture number 1 में देखिए, now look at the ruler. One ruler is short, one ruler is longest. Tick the longest ruler, cross the shortest ruler. Excellent students. Second picture में देखिए students. Now look at the buses. One bus is short, one bus is longer, and one bus is the longest. Tick the longest, cross the shortest bus. Picture number 3 में देखिए students. We can see wooden blocks of different lengths. One block is short. Second one is longer. Very good. And third one is longest. So student क्या करेंगे? Put the tick on the longest block. Put a cross on the shortest block. Very good students. Dear students, last picture में देखिए, we can see ropes of different length. One rope is long, one rope is longer, and one rope is the longest. One rope is the longest. So put a tick on the longest rope, put a cross on the shortest rope. Very good students, excellent. Students, activity number 2 में देखिए, circle the shortest object. Now look at the pictures. Can see snacks, pencil, black sticks. Look carefully at each group. Among the snacks, circle the shortest snack. Among the pencils, circle the shortest pencil. Among the black sticks, circle the shortest. Clap for yourself. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.